Now, how to auto slide content in social media using AG auto clicker, best auto clicker. Now, to do it, what you do is just open the AG auto clicker like this. Now, wait for it to load. Now, here, click on this start icon here. Now, if you have not subscribed for the premium version, what you do is just watch ad or just click on this cancel icon. Now, click on multi-point mode like this. Now, click on start. Now, here, remove this icon, this click target icon. Now, remove this icon here, remove it like this. Now, click on this arrow icon here. As you can see, now what you do now is just go to the social media where you want to slide content on, or you want it to be sliding content as you observe it. Now go there by clicking on the minimize icon here. Here I will use my Instagram. Now go there. Now open the social media. As you can see here, you see it. Now what you do now is just click on this play icon here for it to slide. Now set how you want it to be sliding, down or up like this, by moving this front clicker target. You see it by moving it. Now click on the play icon like this. Also, to reduce the sliding speed, what you do now is just let the sliding like this, let the sliding like this. You see it. Now click on the play icon here. You see the sliding speed has reduced. You see it. You can also make it invisible by pausing it like this, and also click on the eye icon here to make it invincible, and then click on the play icon here. You see it. So that's how to auto slide social media content using AG auto clicker, best auto clicker. Now, if you find the video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tutorial. And also, if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Thank you most of all for watching. See you on the next video. Peace. You can also watch the video on the screen in order to know how to use this AG auto clicker, basic steps, and also know how to use it step by step in the playlist. So now see you on the next video once again.